affiliate marketing not legit? Let's find out. This is one of the most questions that I get all the time. I'm gonna share with you the information that I have and you get to decide whether it's legit or not. So affiliate marketing actually began in 1989, so it's not something that I came up with. I mentioned 86 of brands and companies have affiliate programs where they will pay you to promote their products in exchange for a commission. Brands like Amazon or Sephora or Target and even GameStop. If you're into health and fitness, even C4. There's a few things that I want to share with you, some statistics. The global affiliate marketing industry is worth over 17 billion. 56 of affiliate programs increased revenue during COVID. 81% of affiliate marketers make more than $20,000 annually as a side hustle. This is not enough information. According to Google, affiliate marketing is exploding in 2023. Now, if you want to get your piece of the pie and learn exactly how to do affiliate marketing, all you have to do is see the link in my profile and get my free guide that's going to teach you exactly how I was able to quit my engineering job in just 8 months.